Hi there, welcome to the video. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade Windows 10 to the latest version, which is version 2004, which recently got released. So if you are trying to update Windows through the natural prompt, which is going to the settings, click on Windows Update and then trying to get the latest update, chances are it might not show yet. So how you can force that upgrade, I will show you right now. Open any browser of your choice and search for Windows 10 Update Assistant. You can see at the very top it will show you some support.microsoft.com link. Once you click on that link, you will see Windows 10 Update Assistant page. You will see a link again which says download the Update Assistant. Click on that particular link. Once you do that, you will see software download page from Microsoft. It says download Windows 10 and Windows 10 May 2020 update is there. There are two prompts that is available. One is update now, or you can simply download the tool and create basically the Windows installation media using any USB file or DVD file, whatever you choose to. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you if you have a Windows 10 installation that is already running, how you can basically just update it, not fresh install it. Okay, so click on the update now button that you see on the top. Now if you go to your downloads folder, you can see there is one Windows 10 Upgrade 9252 application is there. Just double click on that application. If your UAC prompt settings has not been altered, you might get a prompt from UAC, that is user account control, saying do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? In this case, you will say yes. Once you click on yes, the application will run and the rest of the process is pretty much, it will download the files, it will verify if the downloaded files are proper, and then it will apply the update on the base operating system. So that's pretty much it. It might take about 5 to 10 minutes depending on your network speed, computer speed, but the process is fairly smooth. After 10 minutes or so, the installation is done. Now let's quickly have a look at what all the new features that this update is providing us.